parents did not pitch up for a meeting hosted by Gauteng MEC in Hammanskraal Tsebentle Primary School Monday. This comes after the suspended principal was brought back to her position. The suspension of the principal comes after she demanded parents to pay fees despite the school being under government. The MEC threatens to arrest those who disrupt the proceedings in the school.
The MPs went there, did a video that school will not proceed up until some of the issues that they were raising are resolved. It's a very reckless statement. I'm saying this to politicians. I will get you arrested and I'll put you in jail.
The Economic Freedom Fighter Member of Parliament Raymond Abrahams, in a statement, reiterated that the action taken by the MEC was not ethical to release a statement on social media on this matter.
I'm a voice for the voiceless. That's why, and I think it is not ethical for the MEC to go on social media as an imbizo and threaten me to say that he will have me arrested if I close the school.
Community members are calling the permanent removal of the principal over her suspension. The EFF promised to stand with the parents amid the ongoing crisis in school. Learning in Tsebentle Primary School was interrupted because of the returning of the suspended principal. No parent wants to see his or her child being at a school where there is so much corruption and nothing is being done about that. Parents are now planning to march to the Education Department offices. Nelly Swamukina, TT News, Social Media.